The bamboo tree. A saint was walking through a forest with his disciple. As they descended a slope, the disciple suddenly slipped and tumbled downwards. He was about to fall into a deep ravine when his hand caught hold of a young bamboo plant. Gripping it tightly, he managed to stop his fall and hung there, suspended over the edge. The bamboo bent like a bow, but didn't break or uproot. It held firm, bearing his weight. After a few moments, the saint reached him and extended a helping hand, pulling the disciple back to safety. Together, they continued on their journey. As they walked, the saint asked, "Did you hear what the bamboo said to you while it saved your life?" The disciple replied, "No, master. My life was in danger and I was too frightened to notice anything. Besides, I don't understand the language of trees and plants. Please tell me what it meant." The saint smiled gently. "The bamboo you clung to bent almost to the ground to save you, yet you didn't break. Let me show you its message." He approached another bamboo nearby, pulled it toward him, and let it go. The bamboo bent and then gracefully returned to its original position. "This," the saint said, "is the lesson of the bamboo. Flexibility. Storms often try to uproot clusters of bamboo with their first winds, yet the bamboo merely sways and bends. It doesn't rush it with pride. It bows with grace and stays rooted in the earth." He paused and added, "The bamboo gave you this message. In life, when difficult times come, bend a life. Be humble, but never break. Because once the storm passes, you can rise again just like before." The disciple listened intently, absorbing each word. The saint continued, "The bamboo not only endures pressure but turns that pressure into strength. After every strain, it grows taller, stronger, and more resilient." And so, the saint said, "Let your spirit be like the bamboo, resilient, humble, and ever growing." Then he concluded with a gentle smile, "Son, I too don't know the language of trees, but the voiceless beings of this world often teach us profound truths through their silent actions.